Or we have to identify in these images above here. It says thermal energy is transferred to the sunbather in room B primarily by what? Well, if we have a lamp there, any light source is going to be radiation, just like the sun. Okay, so we have radiation there in B. And let's see, most of the heat from the fireplace in room C goes up the chimney and is therefore transferred by, well, hot things rising. That's convection. Like a lava lamp, hot stuff rises, cold stuff sinks. And so most of the energy is going up the fireplace. There is a little heat coming into the room through radiation. Again, like the campfire, radiation goes in all directions, but most of the energy is going up the chimney through those convection currents. It gets lost. It's very inefficient. The thermal energy in the iron in room D, well, if it's touching, conduction is touching. So that's going to be touching two solid objects touching each other. And then in room A, the heat from the pot on the stove moves to the pot handle. Well, that's conduction as well. It's all touching and connected together. So it moves through solid objects through conduction. The upstairs being warmer than the downstairs is an example of, well, hot stuff rising and cold stuff sinking. If it's hot upstairs, that's conduction. The hot air rises. And then in room C, we have heat is given off, the waves of heat given off by the fire is an example of, well, they're talking about the energy coming into the room. We talked about that earlier. There is radiation coming into the room all around the campfire. Anytime heat or light moves equally out in all directions, that's going to be radiation.